This is Upper Rosebud. We've got a nice feral villa, an old doghouse, and a cat igloo. 2 feeder boxes, one on either side. Well, hi, Billy. And the old doghouse, I'm hoping to get that replaced this year. Someone offered me their old doghouse that's in better shape. And this is a feeder box here. And Billy's demonstrating. This is how we eat. This feeder box is great because it can hold a lot of stuff. Can hold water, big food, 2 smaller dishes out of the weather. Hey, Billy. There's Tuxie. Hi, Tux. Beauty's waiting for me to go to Lower Rosebud. Be right with you, Angel. Party Woman and Beauty and Ruby and Artie. Hi, Art. Come here, honey. It's okay. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Hey, Art. What you doing? You okay? Artie. Hello, Kate and Nimmy and OG and Beauty. Hey, Beauty. You're so gorgeous. Hi. Hello, gorgeous lady. Yes, feed us, please. There's Artie. Hi there. Hi, gorgeous lady. The party says, fill up my bowl, lady. Okay, we will. He's hanging around me right now. This is Junior Party Girl. Hi, Junior P. You're a pretty girl. There's your mommy. Party Woman. And there's Nimmy, Kate, Gina, and OG. Hi, OG. And Ruby, and Gracie, and Nikki by the tree. Mo, Larry Curly. Mo. Hi, guys. And Beauty. I love you guys. And down there we've got, I see Gwenny. I see walking on the tree. That's Dana. There's Guinevere. Hi, buddies. What a beautiful day to be here in the woods. Yeah. Time for breakfast? You got it. Bye. See you soon. Right? Tinsel. Hi, Tins. Party girl. Hi, honey. Good morning. Good morning. Good girl. I love you too. It's okay. I filled up the bowls. Yes, I did. You ready? Here's Billy and Beauty behind him. Hi, guys. Hi, Artie. Hello, Gracie. Hi, Grace. Hi, guys. Here's my little Tuxie man. Tuxie, good morning. Better go feed the rest of the kitties. I love you too, Party. Good girl. Go with me. It's full. Look, right here. Right here. Right here. There you go. Good girl. It's Ruby, Guinevere, Lucy, and Dana. They're done eating. Look at Ruby. She's got I put catnip on her house. Hi, Gwenny. That's Gwenny. That's Gracie. That's just like my own kids. And then we have here, Party Girl. Having seconds. That's okay, honey. And then, this is Beastie. This is Beauty's sister. That's as close as she'll come. And we got Scouty. He's all done eating. He's having his bath. Good kittens. I love ya. Love you, Beauty boy. Scout. Good job. Hi. Hi, honey. Y'all have a great day. It's a beautiful day. Oh, he's going to play in his catnip. Yummy, huh? He's so funny. Look, good boy. Look, good boy. Take care, honey. Scout is full of catnip. Look at his. You can see it in his fur. Hi, buddy. You're a good kitty. Yes, you are. You're my catnip poster boy. It's okay. It's alright. And Beauty's waiting patiently for me to go back up the hill. This is one of their very big houses. It's nice. Very nice. I like it. Take care, precious ones. Be safe, happy, and healthy today. Okay? Love you. Bye, guys.